puppy dog.
Look, they ripped that one too.
All these dogs are tearing up all our plants. We can't have nothing nice as you guys.
Did you do this? Hey, did you do this?
Oh, it was definitely her or him. Go. Pup.
Sis, what are you doing?
Yeah, see, we have one there, and they keep on digging them out.
Watering my hostas.
Yeah, I'm hoping they spread real good.
Look, they dug out the other one.
That's what I just said, yeah.
So they dug out two.
So it's like the only things I don't think they're messing with is the hostas, right?
Yeah. Oh no, one of them ate some of the leaves on that one.
They did that one too then. Those damn dogs.
Yes, because I want them to spread out.
Yeah.
Start taking off and just cover this whole side of the barn. Then,
Right.
then I know we got stuff on the other side of the barn, but I'd like to do that as well.
Right.
And then maybe like on the other side, but in front, unless you cover all that with the gravel, get some there.
Yeah. And then, yeah, long story short, we put this gravel pathway in because right underneath her feet, we have a drain tile that runs all the way down because the land goes downwards and it goes all the way out towards right there by the deck steps and everything. And so to combat all the water that would pile up right in here, we've got a drain pipe through here that I went ahead and make it to a walkway, go out to the fire pit. Sorry about the camera real fast, but and then we're gonna put one, you can see the gravel a little bit over here. You'll get a better idea of what I'm talking about. There's a drain tile here that goes up there because there again all the water comes rushing right down this way and it becomes like a huge swamp when it rains a lot. So you can see with the dogs, I mess with my drain tile a little bit. But I'll be covering that up more. Eventually this is going to be a walkway too. It goes around to the gates that we have around the corner there.
All right, let's go take care of the chickens and ducks and chicks. Where you going, sis? Hi, bub. You coming with mommy? Coming with mommy? Hi, daddy.
Yeah, buddy. It seems like the ducks are starting to get a little bit more used to us. But we've been told that Pekin ducks are not friendly ducks. Like they're not like mean. They just want to run from you and they don't even mess with the chickens. They're not about it. Oh, there goes the little guys. It's crazy how fast these guys run. And the water, as far as we know, is working great. Like we did in the last video we made. Here, I'll get inside so you guys can actually see. But yeah, we did the little, I don't know, the little chicken nibblers or whatever. But we know the ducks use them like crazy. But I haven't seen the chickens yet. So we keep other water, of course, out, you know, for the babies, because we know the babies can't reach them, and possibly the chickens, because we're not sure if the chickens are using them or not. But yeah, it's working out pretty good, and I have it going out there, so all she has to do is put the hose in there and fill it up. The one thing I messed up on, didn't think about it, is the cap there. I should have put a drain plug on it, so that way we could drain it out. So all I gotta do though is just cut it off and put a drain plug in there. But yeah, so it's working out pretty good. Next is an automatic feeder. That's another project that's coming up shortly. You gonna build that baby, or is...
I want to try to build that.
You want to try to build that one? Okay.
So this here is Jemma. About a couple weeks ago, as you can tell, she's somehow hurt herself and hurt her leg. We have been keeping her in the house, trying to rehabilitate her. I've never really dealt with a hurt chick before with her leg. I don't know what happened, what she did, but I mean, she's walking on it, and she hops around on it and everything, but seems like she's improving then from where she was when I found her. I'm going to try to get her over here with the others, other babies. That way she can stay socialized and associated, connected with them. But she seems to be getting along very well. I'm just hoping that it's nothing like too serious, but it was a little swollen. It looks like the swellness has went down. Just not sure. Come on, Jemma, let's go see some friends. Come on, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna let her go. So, oh, there's the ducks again. And just hold on.
Right next to them, that way it's going back up again.
Just kidding.
Penguin's looking different.
There you go. You want to go over? Oh. Yeah, there's the penguin right there.
Chiquanda's still looking kind of dark, but her belly's looking lighter.
He's talking about her right there.
I don't see how those chickens are still fitting to this fence.
Oh. And our big ones are down there, scoping it out. Here they come. I don't know what they think they're going to do.
By the way, have you told him that he is a rooster? We asked in the first video.
Oh,
he
yeah.
Is actually starting to
By the way, that is a rooster. He started crowing Saturday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, Saturday, sorry about that. Yep, that is Foghorn, the rooster.
They act like they're the neighbor's chickens.
Yeah, they like our neighbor's yard better. And there's Henrietta and Rhodey. And then Lynx. Right there.
Yeah, they're getting
with Foghorn. Foghorn's the rooster.
The Lynx and the... another word, what is that one?
Who?
It looks like Rhode Island. What is it? Is that a Rhode Island?
Buttercup?
Yeah, Buttercup, yeah.
Buttercup right there is supposed to be an Easter egger.
That's why you said both those lighter colored ones are Easter eggers.
And,
they don't look like the same.
Goldie Hawn, which doesn't look so golden anymore, over there, right there, she is supposed to be an Easter egger as well.
I don't think. One of those might be. I don't know what they look like.
Penguin, she's right there. She's a sapphire gem. And then we have Jemma, the hurt one, who's also... Oh, sweet. Good job, Jemma. Eat those worms.
They didn't eat worms.
Well, she didn't take it from my hand. But Jemma is a sapphire gem as well. And what was Chiquanda?
Oh, man.
You hear that thunder?
Black manta or something. I don't remember exactly what.
And that's her right there. You ready for more animals?
We just had this last discussion in the last video.
I know.
Don't know yet.
And the ducks are crazy. But you know what? I don't know what it is. When I came out here, to like let them out, Lynx, and Foghorn kept running up the coop, like running up with the babies inside. Like the babies wouldn't come out until they left the run. Like they're over there digging.
I'm not sure. I still see how they still fit those 4x4s.
They like suck themselves in, I guess. I don't know.
That must mean they have a lot of meat.
Look at Skinny Boy running over there.
Skinny. Those females.
They're getting chunky.
You checked the nest?
Yeah, I did. I didn't see anything.
Yeah, you did?
Yeah. So we'll...
I am ready for some of
I don't think they're quite ready yet.
Nothing
but ping pong balls.
I hope they're not laying somewhere else.
Well...
Hey, if you guys know around about how long it takes for hens to start laying age-wise or whatever, let us know. Comment below.
Yes, because I'm ready.
I'm ready for some fresh almonds. Fresh breakfast burritos.
Fresh omelets, breakfast burritos. Yeah, but here's the thing. We got to be careful and we'll have to check because we got Foghorn.
Yeah, I'm not sure how that works.
I'm not either.
I guess you could do hatchlings.
Yeah? But we'd have to get one of those incubators.
Like a war with it.
There's Buttercup. She's got a worm.
Oh yeah, she's eating that up. Look. This ate the whole thing.
Wow. And it's gone. Just like that.
They don't like worms, huh?
I was wrong. She swallowed that thing down whole. Just like her mother. What?
That's my girl.
I know I found like a whole bunch of worms yesterday and I was trying to get them to feed. Now they're behind the thing. What are you doing, Rhodey and Henrietta? Two busty girls. What are you guys? You guys weirdos. Well, they are getting big. They're probably at, say, 3 months, maybe. I'm thinking. I can hear the thunder rolling. But the sun's still kind of shining too. It'd be nice to have a tin roof set and listen to the rain on a tin roof. So relaxing and calming. What are you guys doing? I think Henrietta and Rhodey are on the lookout for Foghorn and Lynx because those two somehow are now joined at the hips. Yep, there they are. At least there's Lynx coming out of the bush. Oh, sorry, my bad. What are you two doing? Oh, and earlier I was helping Lynx, the white one that's just walking back, because right there's Foghorn. I was helping her out of the coop, and her little butt decided to bite my thumb. It didn't hurt or anything, but that's her. That's Lynx. And then our neighbor's yard. You see Foghorn. Gotta follow Lynx. Something's up with that. I guess he don't like Rhode Islands. Oh, and there is Clyde. At least I'm hoping that's Clyde. They really don't make noise much. I don't know, I have a feeling I might have 2 boys on my hands, and then the rooster. Or it'd be nice if we had 2 females. But they're still kind of raspy, so I'm not sure if they're both male, both female, or male and female. I don't know. Hopefully we can decide, but as you can see, there's our fence. The house. My daddy. Mine. You know, it's not the land. It's not how much money you have. It's not about what you have materialistically wise, or the walls and roof and foundation that makes the home. It's the people you spend every day with that makes you happy. And to come home to, it's everything. I mean, this is peaceful. This is our lives. And we wouldn't have it any other way. No more concrete jungle, just out in the country, enjoying nature and what we have. Because us together, we're a team, and we make this house a home. It's the love inside that makes a house a home. It's not the materials and all that. I'd say we are pretty lucky for what we have.